make sure to check bird dog exercise in order to know how to perform this exercise with correct technique. So now, instead of moving just up and down, you want to move in squares. So what it means, I'm extending my arm and leg, and I draw small squares. After you did one side, you go to another side. As you see, leg and hand are moving at the same time. So if I'm moving my hand outside like this, so my leg moves outside too. If I'm moving down, both move down. If I move my hand inside, my leg moves inside too. During this exercise, you don't want to move again in your low back. Just reminder.